What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Hussein. Welcome back to another amazing video. So guys, today is Monday. So I just want to give you guys a quick review of my last week trade. I wasn't able to upload my $10 challenge video, so I'll be uploading it this week, so you guys should stay tuned. So I just want to give you guys a quick recap of all the trades I took, and I just want to use this means to elaborate on this my concept. And guys, there's something really amazing I saw. It was like, if you guys are following up with this forex traders, there is a guy that I used to follow, one of his colleagues, or let me say his friend. There was a video he uploaded because I just love watching all these guys just in my free time, just go around the internet and just look for something to just while away the time. So, and there was a video I saw, guys, and when I start preaching this my concept, a lot of people just look at what is this guy saying. But what I'm giving you guys on this channel is something a lot of people will just say if we don't pay for it. But this is a community that we are all growing together, and it's not everything you can just ask somebody to pay for. There are things you just give it out and share it out with people, and anybody that feels like he wants the in-depth knowledge on how you really do it in your day-to-day concept, should reach out. And again, guys, the mentorship is still open. Guys. A lot of people have been joining so far. So if you would love to join the mentorship, there is a link in the description, my WhatsApp. Send me a DM and we'll talk further. And note, it is not free. And I'll be giving you guys a free gift. Anybody that DMs me, the first 5 people that DMs me, I'll be giving you guys a discount price on the mentorship program. If you would love to join, I'll be giving everybody a discount price on the mentorship program. So if you would love this, send me a DM and we'll talk. So before I while away from the topic, let me show you guys the trade I'll show you guys my M2 and my M2. I'll show you guys how the trade just came down. So you guys just this was the trade. And guys, when I mentioned to you guys, London breakout, a lot of people don't get what I'm trying to say. London breakout doesn't mean you looking for a 15-minute breakout. London breakout doesn't necessarily mean if London breaks out, maybe during the New York session, that means it's a buy. Or if London breaks below during New York, that means it's a sell. That is not how the London breakout works. I'm gonna be giving you guys a simple example of how all this trade went, right from this one, even right from this start with this one. I'm gonna be breaking down everything, and if you can check this, you will see that all these trades has a simple pattern, which all of them are lined. All of them has a simple pattern. So let's start from this one, guys. So how was I able to catch this trade? This was the last one I wasn't able to take it because I was still expecting a more push to this one. Price was just so far due to it was the final pullback. There was no time to waste. That was fine. Let me show you guys analogy of this trade. First, let's start from this. I just want to give you guys a quick breakdown. I might not be breaking down all the trades in this video. Higher high, higher lows. The higher high. Then market was supposed to reverse from somewhere around here. Guys, it was supposed to reverse from somewhere around here, right here. Then we rejected the loop, then gave us a breakout. And guys, how do I hide it? I get a good 4-hour chart, which is here. Because the 4-hour has a lot of high chance of the breakout being valid. I love seeing my breakout on the 4-hour, which is giving me this nice bearish engulfing candle, guys. This is my when I've seen my breakout, which is this bearish engulfing candle, guys, I just go to my 1-hour chart. I look for my imbalance, and guys, I would love you guys to look at this concept rather on gold, because this strategy works well on gold. You can use it on other pair. I trade gold, and one thing about gold is that gold respects psychological level, which consists of support, resistance, support, resistance, and imbalance. Especially imbalance, guys. Gold respects imbalance. Let me check my mic. Okay, mic is still on. So what happened? This is a very, very nice imbalance, freshly untapped imbalance. Then market came to that imbalance firstly. But guys, so some people now might think that this bullish engulfing candle means that the market has violated this imbalance. Not yet. If the market violates this imbalance, that means it will be closing inside this zone. So in as much the market is closing below this area, this zone is still valid. This zone is still valid. Then market, and one thing I used to use, guys, I use a time frame. Yeah. And I use a certain time, which is exactly 2 p.m. Guys, I don't joke with this. So let me mark this. This is my 2 p.m. candle right here. Then one thing I do is that whenever my 1 o'clock candle closes, I am going to look for I would want to see the 2 o'clock candle sweeping the 1 o'clock highs. Guys, follow along. I would love to see the 2 o'clock candle sweeping the 1 o'clock highs and tapping into my imbalance. Guys, pay attention. My 1 o'clock candle forming, closing, my 2 o'clock candle sweeping the 1 o'clock highs or low, depending on the direction I'm trading. So this direction is a sell. I have gotten my bias, which is a sell. I have mapped out my imbalance, which is done. Market has closed. Then the 2 o'clock candle has formed, swept my 1 o'clock highs. Then I know that, okay, market has swept my 1 o'clock, which is sweeping liquidity. Why I look at this, guys, in the past, I used to enter trade, and I would see that whenever I trade around 12 or 1 o'clock, I realize that market will come to stop me out around 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. And I realized, what is causing this thing? As time goes on, I discovered that, okay, I think liquidity is mainly swept during New York session. And one thing I used to use as my breakout confirmation, I want to see my breakout during London session, which I call London breakout or Asian breakout. It is also good. If I see the breakout during London session, it's fine. If it's an Asian breakout, it is also fine. Guys, how did this setup play out? It just swept the high immediately, and I head over to my 15-minute time frame. Look for any possible change of character. Guys, this is no joke. Guys, don't joke with this. Don't joke with what I'm giving you guys. What is this? Guys, what is this? It should give me a change of character. We enter the trade, put our stop loss above it. 1:2. And I love aiming for 1:2 because there is a higher chance of it hitting the 1:2 than going for unrealistic profit target. I love 1:2. I love 1:2. I am out of the market. I am done for the day. Let's go to another setup. I don't want this video to be too long. I don't want this video to be more than 10 minutes, and we'll round this video up, guys. I just want to give you guys a quick breakdown. So that is last week. But guys, let me elaborate on this trade, this Friday trade, this move right here. So what happened on this trade? Firstly, there is a guy. He is, as I mentioned, he is one of Way-Up's friends. If you guys know a guy called Way-Ups, so it's a guy that I really like his content. I used to follow his content well, and the guy is a very, very interesting, and I also love the guy. It's somebody I like. I just like watching the guy because he's one of the realest guy in this trading space, this online trading space. So I fuck with the guy. So there is one of his friends that I also like watching. That his channel is kind of new, so I'm also following up with the guy because I just love watching their content. Just to keep myself busy sometime when I just watch, look for something to while away time. So there is a setup he traded, which is also the same setup I traded on Friday. So when I was watching the video, I was just kind of smiling like, oh, honestly, this is good. But so one thing about this setup, so let's watch this video together, guys. Let's watch this video together.
market to break out above London session.
So,
If you look here, this was the high of London. So at this point, price broke above London session.
So guys, if you are looking at this view, it's saying that this 5 minutes breakout now is called London breakout, which is not right. I'm not trying to shame anybody, because I'm not trying to shame anybody, but I'm just giving you guys the real view of how London breakout really works. I'm not trying to shame, because regardless of how your strategy is, you can still win in as much as your risk to reward is good and you are managing your risk. Even if you have a 20% win rate, you are still good to go, man. Nobody is perfect. I am still growing. So, but I saw the video and I just, wow, this is also the same trade this is also the same trade I was taking, but he was looking for a buy, but I was anticipating for a sell. One thing about trading, guys, is that nobody is perfect in this trading game. Nobody is perfect. His name is Johnny Profit. You can go to YouTube and search his name. He's also a very, very amazing guy. So he is looking for a buy. And let me show you guys the errors in this concept, the errors in this analysis he made. And let's do the analysis together, guys. Let's do the analysis together. So let's look for these highs and mark these highs right here. And let's look at it from a 1 hour point of view. So he's doing the analysis on the 5 minute time frame. So let's go, guys. So this is it, guys. This highs was the high that it was marking as its London breakout, which is wrong. Where is our London breakout? Let's guys, let's look at our London breakout. This is our real London breakout right here. So even this is not a London, this is an Asian breakout, guys. So whenever I'll look at the previous low, the previous daily low, I'll allow market to break out that low. Or when Asian session creates a low, I will also want market to break out that low during London session rather. So I've seen my breakout and I have marked out my imbalance, which is somewhere around here. I would not be wanting to sell when market has not fully violated this zone on my 1 hour time frame, because I don't like using the 5 minute time frame. Those time frame has very, very low win rate. So I love seeing. So if you are looking at this view, this is just a liquidity sweep, and seeing it here, even the 1 hour candle didn't even close above this high, which violates the buy. I was also anticipating for a buy right here, but when I am seeing this sweep, this is my 2 o'clock candle, this red candle is my 2 o'clock candle. I am seeing that my 2 o'clock candle is sweeping above my 1 o'clock candle and it is tapping into my zone, rejecting below the zone. I go to my 15 minute time frame, guys. What did I see? I see a confirmation, a hammer confirmation. I would not sell. I would not buy, rather this is the sell. So this is just it. I look my breakout, I'm looking for the breakout from my 4 hour time frame to my 1 hour time frame. Guys, to my 1 hour time frame, I'm looking for my imbalance next. I'm allowing the 1 o'clock candle to close around the zone I want to trade. I am allowing the 2 o'clock candle to take out the 1 o'clock highs, tapping into my zone, giving me a change of character. Then I can sell. All these things are important for this setup to work out. Guys, let's go live now. This is a live trade that we are in. This is a live trade. There is no BS here. So this is our 1 hour candle. Currently now, if this candle is able to close above this candle right here, maybe closing above this high, this will be a buy continuation. That means we are in a buy, but which means if this candle closes below this area during 2 o'clock, I will know that all this area is liquidity. But if it breaks above this high again, I will know that this market still wants to continue the push going to this area. Then I will not be selling here for now, buying here for now. I'll be buying around this area. So let me do the analysis right now, guys, so you all can see it. So now, if this 1 o'clock candle closes above this area, closes above this line right here, closes above 33.5909, then I'm buying at this zone. But if it closes below this area, then I'm buying somewhere around here or somewhere around here. All this area will be liquidity. So how do I do it, guys? Now, so I mark out my imbalance. This is my imbalance right here, guys. This is a live trade. This is my imbalance. This is my imbalance. A typical trader will trade at these highs. Maybe we'll be looking at this high as a break You see, a typical trader now will look at this zone as this highs as a London breakout, which is market. You know, if you put your stop loss here, market will just hit your stop loss and go to your direction. But if you buy this area, this is like a discount area, market will tap you in here, go to your direction. If it stops you out here, just know that the analysis is wrong at the moment, and you go again another time. Nobody is perfect. So this is my current view now, guys. I am expecting this candle to close above this candle. If this candle closes above this candle around 2 o'clock, then I know that this double breakout is now confirmed. Then I'll aim for this area where this is my imbalance right here. This is my imbalance. This is my imbalance right here. This highs and this is my imbalance. I'll allow market to reverse, tap into this zone. When it has tapped into this zone, I'll go to my 15-minute time frame. I look for my change of character somewhere around here. Place my buy here. Aim for this liquidity here. There's a liquidity right here. Aim for this highs right here. Let's go to the 1 hour chart so we can see it clearly. Aim for this highs right here. I'm out of the trade. 1 rate to 2. I'm out of the trade. This volume is kind of very, very nice volume. So this is our view, guys. This is our current view for today. My bias is bullish. If I see a breakout here, I'm buying from here. This is the imbalance. This is just how my strategy is. This is my 1 o'clock low, guys. This is my 1 o'clock low right here. I will allow the 2 o'clock candle to reverse back, sweep this 1 o'clock low, tap into this imbalance. I see a change of character here. I buy, guys. This video will be coming to an end here. And guys, as I said before, if you want to register for the mentorship, I'll be giving 5 people a discount, just 5 people discount from today, Monday to Sunday. This offer will be available today to Sunday. Just only 5 people that messages me within this 7-day period. I'll be giving you guys a discount price for the mentorship program, which is like me and you. I will be showing you guys my day-to-day trade, how I am trading, my concept, my day-to-day trade, how I'm doing it live and direct, guys. So if you are interested in this kind of offer, send me a DM. And if you also want to get my mentorship course, which is also available if you are trading, and I have also explained the full concept. If you already have a strategy and you are just trying to struggle with entries and you're finding it hard to get your entries right, I will also recommend you to get my course, which is also available. So send me a DM if you are interested in this kind of offer, and I'll see you guys in that video, guys. So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share this video to anybody that it could be helpful to. Stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay blessed, guys.